we're starting off this vlog very, very, very chaotically because I am speeding like the devil himself is chasing me. I'm late for my hair appointment. We have begun the process of transforming Abigail into Ladies Take Notes for the summer, and so I'm headed over to my hairdresser. She's Calgary Afro Beauty. I'll leave her Instagram right here. She's amazing. I've always had a stellar service, and today we're doing knee length knotless braids, and I'm super excited. But first we have to actually get there, and I know she's not going to be happy with me because I was supposed to come with my hair stretched. As you can see, I woke up late. No, I woke up on time, then I fell back asleep. And then I woke up an hour and 15 minutes later. I still needed to wash my hair and stretch it. So I was able to wash my hair, but when it comes to stretching, no, that didn't happen. So hopefully she will not be as mad as me. I'm going to send her my payment right now to soothe the blow that I will be both late and coming with extra work. So in the meantime, I need to get there as quickly as possible. Let me focus on driving, okay? I'm gonna hit y'all later. So I made it, and now I'm just headed to her door. She's gonna open the door straight into an apology. So I'm vlogging, but I have to apologize. What happened? So I woke up late, so I only washed my hair. Okay. I couldn't stretch it, and I'm so sorry.
I'll give it to you. Oh my God.
I am so obsessed.
So good. Love the color.
You guys can't even see how tall, long this is. Like, you can't. We haven't finished yet. It's perfect for vacation. You just wake up and go.
Yeah.
You know, next up my lashes, then I'm done for the summer. How are you doing back there?
Surviving.
It's long. Wow. My people, the way I'm finna catch an attitude with all of y'all this summer. Can y'all see this though? Quick facts on this. So this style costs $850. It's well done, snatched in place, and I love how she did the tip knotless, so I don't see a lot of scalp. That was my special request. And usually when your braids are knotted, they need a couple days or a day or two for you to adjust to them. But because these are knotless, they're flat. I have a photo shoot tomorrow, and I am ready to go. Sis fed me. We had the best conversation. She was like my therapist. I'm leaving feeling light in my soul, but at the same time, the sleigh is heavy. You know what I'm saying? Hello, guys. So 10 hours later, I am done my hair. I don't know if y'all can. It goes all the way down. She did 10 hours of braiding. We had about a 45-minute break to eat, but I absolutely love it. I'm so satisfied. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's 6 a.m. and it is so sunny. That's usually what wakes me up in the morning. And it also wasn't like the most comfortable sleep because we already know if you do braids, you know, the first night, no matter how well the braids are done, no matter how it's not tight, it's always a little bit uncomfortable while your head adjusts. So wasn't that hard waking up this morning. So the goal today is to film a TikTok for a brand, post said TikTok, and then decide what I'm wearing for my photo shoot outfits, and then rush to grab Temi, and then we're shooting for the rest of the day. I'm going to figure out how I'm supposed to tie this brand new long ass hair into some sort of bun so I can head to the shower. is all I could fit, but I'd say it's a job well done. Okay guys, what's up? I am now dressed and I am heading to pick up Temmie, and after that I'll be heading to pick up Elizabeth, and we'll be shooting downtown. We'll be doing a couple outfits or however many we can today. I'm feeling a little bit low energy after a really great morning. I'm not sure why, but we're pushing through it. And yeah, I'm just gonna play my feel-good playlist and go and pick up these girls. Maybe grab some gas and something cold on the way because it's hot. It is very hot today. Do that. Which one? The leg up. Except. Your job. You see somebody near our property, you start walking towards them. You don't stand there and look at me because I can't see nothing. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, so basically what was happening here is a sketchy guy walked past us and I couldn't see if our stuff was being taken or not. So I was letting my girl Temmie know that since she's posing, she should also be scouting the location for any sketchy individuals so nobody comes and steals our stuff. We have to understand our roles here. So I was like, listen, let's be guided. Let's be guided. Good. Let's have a look. Listen, I am the photographer you need.
No, like this is the photographer. We need to get you a studio, a proper one. Can you see this? I can smell your people. Can I see this?
Hi, can I please have a quarter pounder BLT meal? 2.
Okay.
And can I have no onions and a Coke to drink? 2. And can I have a second quarter pounder BLT meal? So I didn't really film what we were doing before. We had stopped by the Calgary library to just take some pictures. And I was filming another vlog at the same time, so it all got pretty complicated, but we managed to do 2 outfits between the 3 of us because we also had a... Hi guys, today is Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday. I didn't do any vlogging yesterday because it was just an admin day. I had a ton of meetings, so nothing interesting there. Today, I am headed to a quick photo shoot. It's 2:32 p.m. I'm late. So sorry, girl. So whenever I go shooting and I find these new places, I never knew this place existed. I just went through a neighborhood I didn't know existed in this Calgary. But so far I'm happy. This is a lovely park to go in and shoot at. Where do you want me? Ooh, let's go. Let's see what we're gonna do. I feel like I'm gonna block the whole thing. It's so beautiful though. We can sit in the grass too. Done. I have to protect the hair first. I know the hair first. Okay. So I saw your post about braids over like the wig. Yeah. It's too hot. Yeah. It's too hot. The other day I was doing a photo shoot and my wig was sliding off because I was sweating and I was like, this is not it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hi guys, so Gabby and I just finished we just finished shooting at Sandy Beach Park. It's a very beautiful park. I don't think I've ever been here before, but the photos turned out amazing. I think they were spectacular, and I'm gonna insert a clip showing you guys some of the shots. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm meeting up with Temmie. We're gonna do some more shots at the Calgary Central Library because I'm filming another video talking about different places to shoot in the city. So if you like that type of thing, stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be dropping soon. But yeah, that's it from me for today. Bye. Hello my people. Happy whatever day it is. I've lost count. I think it's Thursday. Happy Thursday. It is 2:13 p.m. and I am headed to pick up my girl Temi so we can go play with our drones at the Calgary Central Library. I'm using it to film an aerial shot of another video I wanted to film. So we're gonna go do that. I've been loving the weather in Calgary lately. We were supposed to shoot outfits, me and Temi, but I've put on makeup for too many times this week already. I've hit my limit. And so we decided to leave outfits for another day and just focus on the drone shots because I cannot come and kill myself for social media. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We are finally here at the Calgary Library with my girl Temi. Hey yo, and we have a little supporter with us today.
Say hello to the camera.
Say hello, Jamal.
Say hello.
No, he's like, I don't mess with any other cameras except for my mom's vlogging camera.
Okay.
He doesn't acknowledge this one as an authority. So we're gonna go ahead and start conquering our drone shots, and this should be a lot of fun. Falling on one of the roofs. Okay.
Found it?
No, my drone is gone.
What do you mean, well?
It's gone. What am I supposed to do?
Well, look for it.
You want to climb the building?
Not climb the building. Let's watch YouTube videos to see how you can get like a drone that says disconnected to something.
So quick update. My drone flew somewhere and we can't find it. And I was ready to go home, but we thank God for Auntie Temi. She was like, well, let's find a video to figure out how to find it. So we found it on the map. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. We just have to walk towards it, but we have a horrible sense of direction, and this is working on an old map, so I'm using my history of Calgary at this point to go and find it. So we move. This thing dies, I'm gonna cry.
Don't dive.
Okay guys, so update. We found the drone. The drone is on this it's on the roof of this building right here. So we're not going to be able to get on there. Like Google Maps told me, you have arrived, it's on your right. And I'm like, that's great, this doesn't help me at all. So there's no drone. We're going to finish off Temi's drone shots. Temi feels bad. She feels worse about it than I do.
I'm telling you, like.
So now we are filming a little bit farther away from the library at this upside down house. And Temi is grabbing her last few shots as carefully as possible so she don't lose her drone. Hi guys, so I think we're done for the day, right? We're done?
We're done actually.
We're done, so now we're just gonna head back to the car because my parking ticket has now expired. So we're done for the day, it's a wrap, and thank you guys for coming on this vlog with me. I think it's the end, but let me know if you guys want more vlogs and I will do that. It was a pretty hectic week. For the rest of the weekend I have nothing else planned, so we're just gonna chill out, do some admin work, and that's pretty much it. See you guys next week.